Good morning, students. Dear students, today we will go through the essay on Independence Day. Okay? Independence Day that falls on 15th of August. Okay? 15th of August 1947, India became free. So, today we will write an essay on Independence Day. The first paragraph, 15th August is celebrated as a national festival with the flag hosting, parades and cultural events. Schools, colleges, offices, society, complexes, government and private organizations conduct functions and celebrate this day with a great enthusiasm. Okay, so 15th August is celebrated as our national festival. There are flag hosting on many places, parades also, schools and colleges, even offices, complexes, government and private organizations. They conduct function and they celebrate this day with a great enthusiasm and lot of joy. Why? Because we got independent on this day. On this day, the Prime Minister of India, our Prime Minister of India, hoists the flag at the Red Fort and addresses the nation by a speech. Yes, every year our Prime Minister, he hoists the flag and gives a speech to our nation. Doordarshan broadcasts the entire event live on television. Dear students, in earlier time, people, when there were no flag hosting on many places, they used to sit at home and look at the Prime Minister's speech, and all the program was live on Doordarshan. Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, he was our first Prime Minister, performed the first flag hosting ceremony on 15th August 1947. Who ruled our country? Let's go to the second paragraph. Who ruled our country? How they treated our people. So Britishers have ruled in India for almost 200 years. How many years? 200 years they ruled our country. Under British rule, the lives of the people were miserable. Yes, the lives of the people was lot of miserable. People were struggling. Indians were treated as slaves and had no rights to say anything to them. Yes, we were as a slave under the Britishers, but we could not say anything. Indian rules were mere puppets in the hands of British officers. Our rules are also were no value for them. We were just need to follow the rules of the British officers. Indian soldiers were treated inhumanly in British camps, and farmers were dying of starvation as they could not grow crops and had to pay heavy land taxes. You must have seen the movie Lagan. In that, okay, if you play the cricket, your Lagan will be माफ किया जाएगा, no? So these people, they used to pay the heavy taxes, but they were growing the crops and they were starving for the crops. Our freedom fighters struggled for India's independence. Okay, many leaders, famous leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, Rani Lakshmibai, Mangal Pandey, Dadabhai Naoroji fought fiercely against the Britishers. Okay, these are our freedom fighters. They fought a lot for the freedom of India instead of against the Britishers. Many of them also sacrificed their lives to make India free from British rule. Many of they were dead. They sacrificed their lives for the freedom of India. Their contribution and effort are remembered in India's independence history. Yes, still we commemorate their sacrifice. Still we remember them every year on Independence Day and also on Republic Day, that is on 26 January. Let's go through the third paragraph. India achieved independence after years of struggle. India got complete freedom from the British and secured full autonomy on 15th August 1947. That's why the day holds great significance in the heart of every Indian citizen living in India or abroad. Yes, people those who are living abroad, they also remember the struggles. The India got freedom on 15th August 1947. Still they remember. India's completed 73 years of freedom on 15th August 2020. So last year we just completed 73 years of our freedom. This day also reminds us of the struggles of freedom fighters and lives sacrificed by them in achieving independence. The pain that our heroes have gone through reminds us that the freedom we enjoy today has been earned by shedding the blood of lakhs of people. It also awakens a feeling of patriotism inside every citizen of India. It makes the present generation closely understand the struggles of people at that time and acquaintance them with the freedom fighters of India. So this Independence Day essay, dear students, reminds you how the leaders of our India fought against the Britishers, how the farmers were starving without the food. They had to give the taxes to the British rule. Our soldiers were treated like slaves in the British camp, and how we completed 73 years of our freedom on 15th August 2020. So this is the essay that you have to write down in your essay notebook with a good and beautiful handwriting. Have a good day. Thank you to all.